Hi everyone! This week, Jackson's is having a small watercolor sale. Seems like only Winsor&Newton and Schmincke have discounts. If you're shopping right now on Friday or Saturday that this video is posted, Roman Small may still be on sale as well. So do check that in case you want to order them all together. So products on sale this week include Schmincke Horadam open stock colors such as tubes, half pans, and full pans. Not all of their watercolor sets are on sale, so do make sure to look at the price tags. Only the ones in red have been discounted. There's a listing for the regular sets as well as a separate listing for the super granulation and limited edition sets. I'll leave links to everything in the description box below. Then there's Winsor&Newton open stock watercolor products and their sets. The Field box set is the most interesting to me because I believe it used to be around $45 to $50, but it's now available for only $36. Personally, I'm still trying my best to stick to my no-buy, so sadly, I'm going to have to give this a pass. Winsor&Newton's Cotman range is also on sale, both open stock products as well as sets. Holiday season is fast approaching, and depending on your budget, I think these Cotman sets could make great gifts for artists. The smaller sets could be stocking fillers, or if you want to go all out, they also have larger sets as well. And that's all for the Jackson's sale. If you'd like to support this channel, please consider using my affiliate links below. Thank you so much! And thank you to everyone who has used my affiliate links in the past. Thank you! Oh, and before you go, I'd like to mention this one little thing. If you haven't seen already, I made a post on my community tab several days ago. TLDR, if you'd like 20% off on Rosemary&Co products, you can contact me directly through my email on the screen here or my Instagram. I want to make this clear that this has nothing to do with Jackson's or Rosemary. This is from me. So details. So I recently finished some work for Rosemary&Co and they paid for my service with a gift card. Don't worry, I agreed to this at the time I accepted the job. So with that, I'm only able to buy things from their website. But at this point in time, as you may already know, I have a good selection of brushes already, most of which are Rosemary&Co. So ideally, I'd like to convert those funds to use for other things in life right now. That's where you come in. I'd like to give this opportunity to those who are interested in Rosemary products to purchase them at a lower price, meaning that 20% difference is coming out of my pocket, which I'm happy to do. I hope I'm making sense. To wrap it up again, if you'd like 20% off on Rosemary&Co products, contact me directly through my email or you can DM me on Instagram, whatever works. I'm only offering this from now until November 16th or until my funds last. Alright, that's all for today. As always, thank you so much for watching everyone. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated. Have a great weekend!